Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are encountering the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok for your iPhone and iPad running iOS 17. Then here are some steps you can try to fix it. So firstly, check the internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. And after that, simply go to the settings, tap on general, tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is set on automatically. So after that, simply go back to the settings again and tap on general, and in general tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage search for the TikTok app from the installed apps here. Then simply offload the app. After you offload and reinstall this app, go back to the app store again. Now inside the app store, search for the TikTok app in the search address bar, and then simply if there tap on the TikTok, and if there is an update icon available next to the TikTok, then update the latest version of the TikTok. So after you update it, if the problem still persists, then go to the settings and tap on general, and inside general scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, and inside it tap on reset and tap on the reset all settings. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you should hopefully be able to fix the unable to authorize please try again error on TikTok for your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.